The digital gold rush. Your journey starts now. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, opening your laptop and diving into a world of endless opportunities. This isn't just a dream. It's a reality waiting for you to seize. Ready to ditch the 9 to 5 grind? Picture yourself closing that office door for the last time, stepping out into a world where you control your schedule. No more clock watching, no more mundane routines. Yearning for freedom and flexibility? Imagine working from a cozy cafe or perhaps a serene park where the only limit is your imagination. Feel the liberation as you stretch your arms, knowing that your time is truly your own. Making money online is the dream, and guess what? It's totally within your reach. Celebrate each milestone, each new client, each sale, knowing that you built this success with your own hands. The internet has opened up a world of possibilities. From e-commerce to freelancing, from blogging to digital marketing, the avenues are endless. You can connect with clients and customers from every corner of the globe. Forget the limitations of a physical store. No more worrying about rent, utilities, or location. Your online presence can be as vast and varied as you want it to be. Online, you can reach millions of customers, analyze your data, understand your audience, and watch your business grow exponentially. The digital marketplace is vast, and it's all at your fingertips. All from the comfort of your couch, or beach, or mountaintop retreat. You get the picture. Your office can be anywhere you want it to be. The world is your workspace. This is your guide to navigating the exciting world of online income. We'll walk you through the steps from setting up your online presence to mastering the tools of the trade. Determination and dedication are your allies on this journey. We'll break down the basics, giving you the knowledge to start building your own digital empire. From online courses to practical tips, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and turn your digital dreams into reality. Building your online empire, e-commerce and beyond. First up, let's talk about different types of money-making websites. One popular option, e-commerce. Think Amazon, but on a smaller scale. With an e-commerce site, you're selling physical products directly to customers. You'll need a platform to host your store, a way to process payments, and of course, amazing products people actually want. But e-commerce isn't the only game in town. Let's explore some other exciting avenues. Affiliate adventures, partnering for profit. Don't want to deal with inventory or shipping? Affiliate marketing might be your jam. Here's how it works. You promote other companies' products on your website or social media. When someone clicks your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like being a digital matchmaker, connecting people with products they'll love and getting paid for it. Speaking of love, let's talk about another powerful tool: content. Content is king and queen. Blogs that bring home the bacon. Do you have a passion for writing, photography, or sharing your expertise? Blogging can be a lucrative path. By creating valuable, engaging content, you attract an audience. Once you have their attention, you can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, selling your own products or services, and more. But hold on, we're not done yet. There's another type of website that deserves a spot on our list. Sharing your superpowers, service-based websites. Are you a whiz with words, a design guru, or a tech ninja? Why not share your talents with the world? Service-based websites allow you to offer your skills online. From freelance writing and virtual assisting to web design and online coaching, the possibilities are endless. You can set your own rates, work from anywhere, and be your own boss. Now that you know the players, let's talk about the name of the game: traffic. Traffic time, the lifeblood of your online business. Imagine opening a brick-and-mortar store on a deserted island. No customers, no sales, right? The same principle applies online. You can have the most amazing website in the world, but without traffic, it's all for naught. Traffic refers to the visitors coming to your website. More traffic means more potential customers, more sales, and more moolah in your pocket. But not all traffic is created equal. Let's break it down. The organic approach, growing your audience naturally. Organic traffic is like a delicious home-cooked meal. Just as a home-cooked meal requires fresh ingredients, time and love, growing your audience naturally demands dedication and patience. It takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Imagine tending to a garden. You plant seeds, water them and nurture them until they bloom. Similarly, organic growth involves nurturing your content and audience. This type of traffic comes from people finding your website organically through search engines like Google. When people search for information, products or services, they stumble upon your site naturally without any paid promotions. By creating high-quality content that aligns with what people are searching for, you provide value and solutions to their queries. This builds trust and authority in your niche. Optimizing your website for search engines, SEO, and building backlinks are crucial steps. SEO involves using the right keywords, improving site speed, and ensuring mobile friendliness. Backlinks from reputable sites act as endorsements, boosting your credibility. With these strategies, you can attract a steady stream of organic traffic. This traffic is more likely to engage with your content, subscribe to your newsletter, and become loyal customers. But what if you need a quick boost? Sometimes waiting for organic growth isn't feasible, especially if you're launching a new product or service. That's where paid traffic comes in. Paid advertising can provide an immediate influx of visitors, helping you achieve short-term goals while your organic strategies take root. Paid-to-play advertising your way to success. Imagine having a billboard on the busiest highway in town. That's the power of paid traffic. You're essentially paying to get your website in front of more eyeballs. Popular platforms for paid traffic include Google Ads, social media advertising, and banner ads on other websites. The key is to target your ads effectively to reach your ideal audience. Speaking of social media, social butterfly effect. Harnessing the power of social media. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook and TikTok aren't just for sharing selfies and cat videos. They're powerful tools for driving traffic to your website. By creating engaging content, running contests and giveaways, and participating in relevant groups and forums, you can attract followers and direct them to your corner of the internet. But wait, there's one more traffic source we need to cover. Referrals. The referral revolution, turning customers into cheerleaders and salespeople. Remember the power of word-of-mouth marketing? It's one of the oldest and most effective forms of marketing. When people trust their friends and family, they're more likely to try out new products or services based on their recommendations. Referral traffic is the digital equivalent of word-of-mouth marketing. It's when visitors come to your website because someone they trust recommended it to them. This can happen through social media shares, blog posts, or even direct messages. When people discover your website through recommendations from others, it builds a sense of trust and credibility. You can encourage referrals by offering incentives, such as discounts, gift cards, or exclusive access to new products. These rewards motivate your customers to spread the word about your business. Making it easy for people to share your content is crucial. Ensure that your website has social media sharing buttons prominently displayed so your customers can effortlessly share their positive experiences with their networks. Providing exceptional customer service is another key factor. When customers feel valued and supported, they are more likely to become loyal advocates for your brand. Happy customers are your best brand ambassadors. They will naturally share their positive experiences with others, both online and offline, helping to grow your customer base. So there you have it, the basics of making money online. By leveraging the power of referrals, you can turn your customers into cheerleaders and salespeople for your business. But this is just the beginning. There are many more strategies and techniques to explore that can help you maximize your online income. In our next installment, we'll dive deeper into specific strategies to maximize your online income. We'll cover topics such as content marketing, email marketing, and social media advertising. Get ready to turn your passion into profit. With the right approach and dedication, you can build a successful online business that not only meets your financial goals, but also brings you personal fulfillment. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned until the next money-making video.